everyone, welcome back to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how to group chat on Grindr app. First of all, make sure you have already installed and created your account in Grindr. Let's get started. Open your Grindr app. At the bottom of the page, you can see various options. Go to the messages. Here, first of all, to do group chat, you need to keep your friends on favorites. Only then you can group chat with them. On the top left, you can see various icons. Click on it. Now, as I have kept these two friends in my favorite, I can do group chat with them. If you want a group chat with more than 2 friends, you can keep them in favorites. This is how you group chat in Grindr app.